Hi everyone. Today we're going to study bonds. Let us define bonds. A bond is a document that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower, typically corporate or governmental. A bond document contains the face value, maturity date, and the fixed interest rate. This is another method adopted by companies or governments to increase their financial status. We are going to consider some formulas regarding this topic on bonds. The first is the closing price, or we call it cost of bond. This is equal to number of bonds multiplied by face value, then multiplied by the interest rate. Next is the purchase price. This is equal to the cost of bond plus commission. Another formula is the amount of sale. This is equal to closing price minus commission. Another formula is the current yield expressed in percent. This is equal to the fraction, where the numerator is the annual interest per bond over the current price per bond. Let us see example 1. Ahmed purchased 5 $1,000 bonds at a closing rate of 95.98%. If the brokerage or commission is $6 per bond, find the purchase price. First, let us write the formula for the purchase price. This is equal to the cost of bond plus the commission. Next is, we will write the formula for the cost of bond. And this is equal to the number of bonds times the face value times the interest rate. Let us collect the corresponding values from our given problem. So the number of bonds is 5. The face value is $1,000. And the interest rate is this 95.98%. But in here, we're going to express it as a fraction. So we write here 95.98, dropping that percent sign, then over 100. Using our calculator, the value is $4,799. Next is the commission. In our problem here, it says the commission is $6 per bond. So we write here the $6 multiplied by 5. There are 5 bonds given in the problem. So $6 times 5 is $30. Next, we're going to substitute now these two values in our formula for the purchase price. So the cost of bond is now $4,799 plus the commission, that is $30. And the sum is $4,829. This is the purchase price. This is our final answer. Let us see example 2. James sold 3 $1,000 bonds at the closing rate of 113.5%. If he has paid $4 per bond as broker commission, find the amount of sale. In this problem, we are going to compute for the amount of sale. Let us first write the formula for the amount of sale. This is equal to the closing price minus commission. Let us write now the formula for the closing price, and that is the number of bonds times face value times the interest rate. Let us collect the given from the problem and substitute in here respectively. The closing price now equals the number of bonds is 3 times the face value, that is 1,000, times the interest rate, which is 113.5%. Let us express this percent as a fraction. We drop the percent sign. We copied that 113.5 over 100. And using our calculator, the value is $3,405. Next is the commission. It says here, the commission is $4 per bond. So it means we're going to multiply the $4 by 3. And the answer is $12. Now let us substitute the corresponding values to the formula for the amount of sale. So we have now the closing price is 3,405 minus the commission, which is $12. And the difference is $3,393. This is our final answer. Let us have example 3. A $1,000 bond is paying 8.125% interest. If it closes at 112.63%, find the current yield. This time, we will compute for the current yield. First, let us write the formula for the current yield, and this is to be expressed in percent. And this is equal to the fraction, where the numerator is the annual interest per bond, over the denominator, which is the current price per bond. First, let us write the formula for the annual interest per bond, and this is equal to the face value times the interest rate. It means to say we will have 1,000 times the interest rate is 8.125%. Let us express this percent as a fraction. We will copy this value and dropping that percent sign, and this is divided by 100. When we simplify this operation, we will get $81.25. Next is the current price per bond, and this is our formula. This is equal to face value times the closing interest rate. So the current price per bond equals 1,000 times the closing interest rate, that is 112.63%. Let us change this as a fraction, we will copy the 112.63, dropping the percent sign and over 100 here. Using our calculator, this value will give us $1,126.3. Now, let us substitute the corresponding values to our formula. So the current yield in percent is now 81.25 over 1,126.3. Both of them are in dollars. Getting the quotient, we will get 0.072. Let us convert this as a percent, so we will do multiply by 100 and affix the percent sign. And the value is now 7.2%. This is our current yield. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.